Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn space science today. Why do the sun and moon look the same size from Earth? And after we've done what we're gonna do leg injury prevention training. And if you participate in the leg injury prevention training, then it's a deadly arm risk. Why is it happening? Because although the sun is 400 times wider than the moon, it is also about 400 times further away. This means that the sun and moon look the same size from Earth. So the moon has a distance, I forgot what it was it 12,000 something, and the sun is 400 times big as the moon. But because the sun is further away, they appear from the Earth to have the same size. And from Earth, the sun and moon look the same size. This is why the moon can block the light of the sun in a solar eclipse. A bit like that footage look. So from Earth, look, there's just the sun on the sky, and then these orbits of the moon and the sun pass each other, basically from the Earth seen, and then the moon is in front of the sun, and the sun can't be seen anymore. Okay, we want to save it as a presentation. We want to say is, what is the question of the video? Why do sun and moon appear same size from the Earth? The reason why the sun and moon appear to have the same size from the Earth is because that the sun is 400 times further away than the moon is from the Earth. The moon is, we know, the widest part of the sun is 1.4 million kilometers across. The sun is 1.4 million kilometers. I don't remember what the moon was, and it's not in this book. Let's maybe not with the numbers, but we know how far the sun is away. These are 150 million kilometers, and the moon is 300,000 kilometers. Now we don't know how big now the moon is in a radius or diameter. And I don't know how we should find it out when you're just looking at the book here. I don't think they said that in there. Is it important for the presentation to say? It all around 10,000, I don't know it exactly. Let's not say that, let's keep it out, just about what it is. It fits more with our second part, which we try to say then. So first we're going to say is, the reason why the moon appears same size as to the sun, seen from Earth, is because the sun is 400 times further away. Pretty exactly, is the sun 400 times wider or bigger than the moon, but it's 400 times away, and so it appears same size. Okay, I noticed that I have here a tennis ball and a football line. Now, we want to at least try if we can make a thing. Now, the thing with the tennis ball and the football is, which you also noticed, that it is around 5 times as big. I don't know. I think you can put it 10 times into it, 12 times. But let's just say it's 5 times as big. 5 times, 3-4 times. Now, and the idea is that I put the football somewhere here. And if I put another tennis ball, which we say is a fifth of the size, 5 meters closer, so 1 meter apart from the camera. Now it must look as if a tennis ball has the same size and it can block it. When looking from here, you can see what's on the camera. So like that. So they appear same size, that distance. And they can happen a football eclipse. And I think that would be quite interesting if we showed it actually works. Lying there. And let's look if we're actually able to do it in one presentation, in one full and one take. Saying that and showing that, and also ending with and showing that this accords to this word by several times. So let's try it on page. It's the hardest part to find the page. We can't find the page. Maybe I'm just going to say it. It is 13. Let's keep it just up. Okay, let's try it. We have time enough for 5, 6 takes. I haven't started the camera, the second one. The reason why the moon appears to have the same size as the sun from Earth was seen is because the sun is 400 times further away than the moon. And now because the sun is 400 times further away, even though it is around 400 times bigger than the moon, it appears to have the same size seen from the Earth. Now, and I'm going to show it in a moment here. There's this football, which is around 5 times as big as a tennis ball. And now this football is around 5 meters far from the camera. We go now closer, and the tennis ball is now 1 meter away from the camera to the football, when they appear to have the same size. And now also, like a solar eclipse, the moon can come before the football and block it. So that's all. And that also according to Out of This World by Isabel Thomas, page 30. I think it was okay. I showed it to this camera. So. Let's clean up and then I'm going to stop the same camera. And that was it. So if you were here for space science, you can go directly to the next part of space science. We're going to do now the lag engine prevention training. If you stay in, so go to the next part of space science if you're interested in space science. If you're here for lag engine prevention training, then you can stay. But if you participate, then it's better to always. We're starting with a little more of the bring one leg up and pointing your foot down. And now bring the foot up and down. And now turn it around. And then the other direction. And the other foot up. And the foot down. And bring the foot up and down. Now turn it around. Now, first let's swing. We are swinging one leg in front to the side. And the other one in front to the side. Do the same place as the other. And the next exercise, one foot in front and back. Foot is flexed. And with the other one, and do it again with a quite good pace. And the next exercise, now one leg up, pine pulcra. Right angle with the leg, flex forward, even that hips tall up of the back. Breathe in. And out, bring the leg to the side. Breathe in. Out into the middle, and down the leg. And the second round, leg up, breathe in. Out to the side, breathing in. Out into the middle, and down. Now with the other leg up, breathe in. Out to the side, breathing in. Into the middle, and down. And another round. Breathe in, leg up. Out to the side, bring it in. And out, bring it in the middle, and down. And the next exercise is the direction booyah. Leg up. Arms out. Again, right angle with the leg and square hips. Arms around and bring the hands to the side. And to the middle and over to the other side. And now the confused direction booyah. Bring the hands over and the knee over to the other side. And switch. Middle and down. And now the same with the other foot. Let's try it. Knee up, hands out, and go over to one side. Go over to that side. Now to that side. And again into the middle. Now to that side and back to that side. And change. And the middle and down. And now another exercise. Good standing leg. Bring your other leg in front. And now go in front with the heel and bring it in front. And on the other side, into the quarter, to the side, take up it down with the knee, other side, and also back, and over, on the quarter back, and the quarter to the other side, and to the front, and to the side. Now same with the other leg. Bring the leg in front, quarter in front, and to the side, go down with the knee. And to the other side, back, completely back, a quarter to the side, and half to the side, and also here a quarter to the front and to the side. And the next exercise, it's on the big bed. Toes pointing to the outside, heel into the ground, lift the heel off the ground and place it again on the ground. All the movement comes from the hips. And on the other side. And the last one. And now, one left, one is doing one. So, standing leg, the other leg up. Now turn over to that side with the standing leg as far as you can. And then go down into the knee. Turn slowly over as far as you can to the other side. Then you go up again and down. Let's do it one more time. With the other leg. So, turn to one side as far as you can. Down and slowly over to the other side. Up and down. Now with the other leg. Turn over to the side of the leg as far as you can. Then go down and over to the other side as far as you can. Come up again and down. And another one. Good standing leg, turn over to the side of the standing leg is. Down to the knee. Out to the other side. Come up again and down. And let's do the stamp. So leg up and down. Flex foot so that you don't touch the ground. And with the other leg. And now last exercise, almost last horse. Leg in. Just in. And the other leg. And now, I'm ending with a chunky right, legs wide apart, we're breathing in, come down. Breathe out. In across the legs. And breathe out. That was a leg intervention training. I thank you very much and next time.